Hello and welcome to my garden. Today I'm standing here with one of my favourite plants. This is a native frangipani. The scientific name is Hymenesporum flavum. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. We're going to talk about a deficiency that this plant has, which is keeping it from looking its best. Magnesium. Here we go. Recently we moved this tree from the front of the house to the back of the house because we were redoing our patio area. Now at the time I did notice that it wasn't looking very happy, but I thought it was the position, so I gave it a little bit of time. It hasn't improved, it's got worse. I sprayed on some iron chelate as a foliar spray because I heard that that was a common issue with these trees, but it hasn't helped. Now what I'm realizing is I'm seeing classic signs of a magnesium deficiency. In the inset you can see a photo of some of the leaves, and you'll notice that between the green veins you can see yellow patches. Now what's happening there is in the older leaves, the tree is taking the magnesium out of the leaves, out of the older leaves, and sending it up to the newer leaves, which is why we get this characteristic yellowing around the veins. Finally, the whole leaf goes yellow and then it falls off, which obviously gives us a defoliated tree and one that isn't nearly as attractive as it can be. Now in the inset I'm going to put some photos of the flowers, which you can see are quite pretty, and when this is fully leafed it is a really charming tree. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a foliar spray of Epsom salts. Now, Epsom salts are magnesium, and in a hydrated, it's magnesium sulfate in a hydrated form. So all I need to do is mix it with more water and spray it onto the foliage. So why am I spraying it on the foliage instead of applying it to the roots? Well, I'm doing that because the tree will absorb it faster, and I'm also not going to lose any if we get any rain through the soil. And if I get any weeds in the pot, the weeds aren't going to take advantage of that magnesium. So it's really simple. What I have here is 500 mils of water in just a spray bottle that I bought at the local cheap shop. I also have some Epsom salts and a teaspoon measure. So what I want, this has a teaspoon on one side and a half teaspoon on the other. What I'm going to use is the half teaspoon. I'm just going to scoop out a level teaspoon as best I can. So you can see that's pretty level. I don't want to put too much in because that will stress the tree out as well. I want to get just the right amount. And these measurements, the half a litre and half a teaspoon, I got from Gardening Australia. So you know it's good advice, right? Once I've put that in the water, what I'm going to do is shake this up so that it's fully mixed. Shake, shake, shake. I want all that magnesium dissolved into the water so that when I spray it onto the leaves, the tree can absorb it easily. Here we go. And then I'm just going to spray. Whoop. I want a nice misty spray. There we go. And I'm going to give all of those leaves a nice soak, top and bottom. Now I can actually see, oh, the wind just blew it into me. That's okay, I probably need magnesium too. Now I can see some new growth on this, right here in the wing tips. I'll take a photo of that later and pop it on the inset. I can see there are new leaves, so the iron must have helped. Just not enough. Iron chelate, if you want to apply that as a foliar spray. The directions are on the box and you can just get that anywhere that you can get gardening fertilizers. Okay, it's all done. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Please pop any questions or opinions down in the comments below, and I will do my best to respond.